Hi guys, it's Gaming King 21 here. We have the speaker here. If you guys remember, we unboxed it like about 2 days ago. The Darta Bluetooth speaker from the 99-cent store. Today we are going to be testing it out in this video with some sample trap music. So right here's the disco ball on the top. Right here we have the button to power it on and to turn on the lights. This circle right here, that one is the charging light, and this one is the power on light, and this is a charging port. So we're gonna turn this on, slide it once, and there's the power on light. Now I have to connect it with my sister's phone. So I'm gonna turn on the Bluetooth, connect it. There you go, it's connected. Yeah. Sorry guys, I had to go back. Alright, and now we're gonna test it out, guys. So let's do this. That's on low volume, guys. I'm gonna show you guys the lights, how they move with the music. Pretty bright lights, guys. Alright, let's go louder, guys. Alright guys, so as you guys heard, has some pretty nice sound to it, and the lights do go with the beat. So for the last part, I'm gonna just let you guys see the lights so that you guys could see how they move with the beat, and that's how we're gonna finish off the video, guys. So let's do this. So they move pretty good with the beat. So for me, I would give it a 10 for the sound. It has some pretty nice sound to it. So we're gonna turn off the lights now. See if we can. Yep, we did it. Alright. So yeah guys, that was the video testing out the speaker. So hope you guys like this video. Leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel guys. And comment if you guys like how the speaker sounds. So yeah guys, hope you guys enjoy and have a great day guys. Bye.